This is one of the biggest day trading mistakes. Thinking a 100% runner is an opportunity. I want you to look at this with me for just a second, because on the surface, this looks exactly like what you'd want. Strong move, big percentage gain, strong momentum, and there was even news behind all of this, which is why it had all the attention. But guys, attention doesn't create structure. And what most traders see here is, it's going, it's breaking out. I don't want to miss it. And that's usually where decisions get made. Price pushes through and then everything pauses. And then it comes right back into this level. This was already sitting here before price got to it, because our Discord level had triggered at 6:46 a.m. right here. So these levels were already sitting here on our chart. And then notice what happens when it gets there. Price doesn't stay. It touches and it gets pushed back. And then it comes back again. Same level, same behavior. Guys, that's information. And then you get this right here. This is what I call strength without support. It moves fast, it looks strong, but it hasn't built anything underneath it yet. So there's nothing for price to stand on. And when it tries to move higher, there's nothing holding it up there. So once it starts slipping, it just gives it all back, step by step. Now let's look at this one. This is exactly the same idea. Price pushes up, it tests, and it doesn't hold. And then this whole section right here, just watch how price moves. There's no space here. There's no range, no clean path. It moves up and immediately gets taken back. It looks good for a second and then it's gone. This is the difference between reacting to candles and actually seeing what price is building on. And these lines here on this chart, they're not added after the fact. They're already on our charts before the move even gets going. These are institutional levels. You see price above them and price below them. All of the levels are already on our chart. And when price gets into these areas, it starts to show you something, where it's being held, where it's being pushed away. And that's where decisions are showing up. If you've ever felt like you're just reacting to price, instead of actually seeing what's happening, well, then that's the difference. It's these levels that you can see. So inside my mentoring, you're in it with me, live every morning. These institutional levels are provided in our Discord preparation alerts. The exact areas where price gets pulled like a magnet and where decisions show up. And when the right volume behavior shows up at those levels, that's when things start to make real sense in real time. You're not guessing. You're not chasing. You're participating in what's building and what's happening. You get the levels, the scanners, the tools, the algos, the Discord community, and best of all, access to me directly as your one-on-one mentor as we walk through it together. And you can use the buy now, pay later so that you have instant access and you don't have to wait. So if you're serious about trading with structure and seeing all of these levels in advance before the move happens and seeing what you've been missing all along, Momentum Stock Traders is where you need to be. So guys, see the structure, ignore the noise, and trade only what's qualified. And I'll see you in the next video.